Welcome, friends! Your favorite degenerates, Krista and Jason, are at it again! Let's celebrate the day!
Hey there, folks, it's the Rooster coming at you from Clearwater, Florida. We're about to do an epic sunset cruise on board the SS Pecker-Wrecker.
Okay, maybe it's not called the Pecker-Wrecker. It's called the Tropics Cruise. It's one of the sunset cruises out of Clearwater Beach, Florida. There's multiple sunset cruises. They're about, I want to say $25 a piece or so. We got some friends. We're going to see how many people we can jam on this cruise, including our bud, Clayco. And go out, check out the sunset tonight. Enjoy a few cocktails. This is actually one of the places. There is a drink package, so it's only a 2-hour cruise. It leaves about 7:30 at night. It ports back in about 9:30 after sunset. Basically, you go out, dick around, look at dolphins, have a few cocktails, enjoy yourself. They dump you back off right in Clearwater Beach, where there is most epic party situation everywhere.
Yeah, I'm noticing that. It's a party everywhere you turn.
It's a damn good time. So I'll turn it back on when we get back on the ship, and we'll see if we can see some dolphins, see some cocktails, this and that. We may have been pre-gaming a little bit, so we're feeling it. We're good. So let's do it.
Cheers, bitches!
Are you ready for some sunset cruise action?
There's more alcohol? Okay.
Have you been drinking today?
No.
No, not you?
Nope, not at all.
She's a good girl. The ship we're taking is just pretty much straight up pontoon boat.
It's even got palm trees.
We're going to start boarding up this time, guys. Make sure you're with your entire crew, please. Hold on one second.
That's all there is to do right now. Right. Jay and Michelle get it.
Ice cold beer. Also, 2 restrooms.
And we are on board. How epic is this? This is decent, right? This is pretty decent. We got the crew. Where's our crew?
To anything except for toilet paper. Again.
There's Jay and Michelle back there. Placo and Krista are back in the mix over there.
Please and thank you. Also, take a
sunset action. We're gonna go check out some dolphins. Hopefully, we'll see what happens. It's not like we're exactly approaching sunset, but it is so epic looking. Look at this. Is that just beautiful? We are just so blessed to live in Florida. Florida has the greatest sunset, right? It's awesome. It's perfect. Yeah. Just beaming off the ocean, off the water. That is so epic. Big ball of flame.
How you doing? You should come be in the sunset with us.
Okay.
Hey!
Woo! Okay, everybody, everywhere we go, we make new friends.
Lily.
Pleasure to make your acquaintance.
I'm Jay. You've never met me before. Hi.
Yeah, you guys are cool.
It's too much pictures! Too much pictures!
She's freaking out.
Look at all this shit to take pictures of!
Where's the beer?
We're having more fun than you.
You guys can get louder than that.
Oh shit. Why are you in my face like that?
Why are you all in my grill?
Because I love you, man.
It's epic. It's beautiful.
And it's on its way down, and it is beautiful. Yes? Beautiful?
It's beautiful.
Yeah, try not to touch down.
Deep down in my subcockles, I'm feeling it.
Subcockle touching happening.
freaking awesome. Beautiful. Look, we're on the water. We cannot beat this.
It's beautiful. It's just the most epic thing with the prettiest colors.
Jason, cheers. John, cheers. Come on, Clay. Buck. Cheers.
It was incredible. Absolutely stunning.
Drunk outro. Here we go. All right.
What's up, Degenerate Nation?
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful time, right?
Amazing. And thank you for coming up with the idea.
We thank you so much for joining us for the day.
We got people.
We
got people.
Jay and Michelle, thank you very much for
Wait a minute,
enjoying that
where's Gorgeous?
sunset with us.
Let's
Sandy,
get
the
Gorgeous
shenanigator. Oh my God, wonderful. What a great day. We're all shit-faced.
We're all shit-faced.
Well, some of them, I am.
Some of us
I can't
are.
speak for everybody.
Extra.
But
extra.
Great day, great day.
Oh,
Are we
good, you
reading
got-
all about it?
Boop, 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 boop. And it's the flashy lights and everything is going to happen for the rest of the night.
If you get out to Clearwater, do Tropic Tours.
Absolutely.
Or any sunset cruise for that matter. They're going to be great.
We've done this one
relatively
twice.
inexpensive, 25 bucks, 20 bucks.
25.
Yeah, 20, 25 bucks. The drink package is 20 more or 14 more dollars for the beer.
It was a perfect day at Degenerate K.
Celebrate the day!
Celebrate the day!
Celebrate the day!
Celebrate the day.
The day.
Celebrate the day.
Thanks for watching. Much love to our friends. Be the good in the world. Spread the love and go on an adventure. Please like, comment, and subscribe.